Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into 15 best video sharing sites for vlogging and video marketing. Let's get started. Our first pick is YouTube. Obviously, known as the king of video platform, YouTube is perfect for all kinds of content, from vlogs to in-depth marketing videos or even tutorials. With over 2 billion monthly users, creators can reach a massive audience and make the most of the tools like ads, membership and more. Plus, viewers can watch content without creating an account, making it extremely accessible. Next up is TikTok, a short-form video sensation. Perfect for vlogging snippets, TikTok's trending hashtags and algorithm can quickly boost visibility for engaging content. And yes, anyone can view TikTok without needing to log in. It is ideal for viewers on the go. Now, for creators looking to reach diverse demographics, Facebook videos is a top choice. You can upload long-form and short-form videos, making it a flexible space for all kinds of videos. Plus, Facebook's built-in sharing and community feature can bring a lot of organic engagement to your videos. Next up, Instagram videos comes in strong, especially with its Reels and Story features that are perfect for vlogging. With Instagram's visual appeal, creators can attract audiences who love high-quality aesthetic content, and viewers watching Reels and Stories is a seamless account-free experience. At number 5, we have Dailymotion. Known for supporting high-quality video uploads, Dailymotion caters well to marketers and vloggers looking for an alternative to YouTube. Content here is easily accessible to non-account holders, making it a great choice for viewers too. If live interaction is what you're after, Twitch is the go-to. Twitch offers both real-time engagement and lasting video on-demand options. Non-account holders can view live stream and past videos too, which is a win-win. Now we have X, formerly Twitter, where videos can go viral in no time.
Promoting their new shampoo, Maybelline mascara doing lashes on billboard, those spinning sunglasses in the middle of street.
With support for longer videos and live streaming, X gives creators the tools to share everything from short clips to full vlogs. Public content is accessible without an account, making it a solid choice for a quick, impactful viewing experience for just about anybody. At number 8, we have Reddit videos. Known for its community-driven approach, Reddit hosts a variety of content in almost every niche. Creators can find a built-in audience for their videos, and viewers can watch these videos without needing to create an account or being logged in or being a member of Reddit, which keeps it accessible to everyone. Next up is Rumble. This platform is fantastic for creators looking to monetize their content. With multiple distribution and monetization options, Rumble is an exciting choice for video marketing and vlogging. At number 10, we have Odysee. Odysee offers a unique decentralized platform with a supportive creator community. It is an open source platform where creators retain control over their content, and viewers, they can easily access public videos.
This little space rock you might know as kryptonite. Then I just... No,
I didn't know he could do that.
you can't just do that. You can't just destroy kryptonite.
Up next is Snapchat Discover. Ideal for quick, engaging content. Snapchat Discover page is ideal for viewers who want bite-sized entertainment without logging in. It's especially popular among younger audiences and gives brands a fun way to share video content. At number 12 is 9gag TV. Perfect for humor and viral content. If you are a creator focused on comedic content or light-hearted vlogs, 9gag TV is a good fit. It is freely accessible to just about anyone, so viewers can watch videos without needing to create an account or be logged in.
And thank you for saying you would fire those few woke generals who are a big problem.
They're gone.
Will you consider establishing a special task
For educational and inspirational videos, TED Talk is a top choice. It is an established platform where viewers can access a wealth of knowledge. It is perfect for vloggers and marketers in educational niches.
We've built artificial intelligence already that on specific tasks.
Next, we have BitChute. This platform has a diverse collection of videos across a variety of topics, giving creators and marketers a space to post freely. Finally, we have Peertube. This decentralized open source platform is all about supporting creators while keeping content free and accessible. It is great for vloggers and marketers who want to retain full ownership of their videos and provide easy access for viewers. These 15 platforms offer a fantastic mix of accessibility, audience reach, and creative freedom for both vloggers and video marketers. Let us know in the comments below which of these platforms you'll be trying next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.